Tinubu action, do you think is right?
The action of Tinubu is very wrong. Yes, I'm from Niger Delta. I am not supporting them killing an innocent Nigerians, innocent soldiers. I am not advancing that. But you don't, two wrong cannot make right. Two people cannot make right. You don't because of say army was key, then the whole community, the whole both children and this should be wiped up. It's very, very wrong. It's wrong. It happened no day. Because Nigeria didn't say anything. Doesn't mean it should happen now. What they're supposed to have done, when that kind of thing happen, then the military have to go on the community, dialogue with them, and get this perpetrator that does that. They'll get them. That if, for example, Bin Laden have destroyed so many planes in America, destroyed America. America come down for years and look for Bin Laden and hunt him down. That is it. Not to start destroying community. Before you know, you create more militants. It's wrong for president to give that. Can't the president give all that to go and rescue those people they kidnap in Borno? Why can't you do that? So what he did is very wrong. Otherwise, you create more enemy.
Create more enemy. But somebody has just come out to say that, you know, with this approach now, it might cause just like what you said now, it might cause problem. Even Atiku, everybody they've come out to say, you know, but now innocent people now, I think they fled from that their community. Do you not see the youth coming back to revenge after now?
They must definitely they must do that. And military will not go that side again. All year installation, everybody will run away. So who lose? They don't care. The Nigerians don't care. Who lose? Government need to use their sense. It's not everything use force. It doesn't happen in other world. But condemning killing army, but ask a question, what did they want to go and do there? They went to peace. Are they the one that's supposed to go and do peace?
Police.
The police supposed to be trying to go and do peace and so human rights and community, not taking army. You know, Nigeria usually where they do things. When two people are fighting because the other one has money, they go and employ the other force, intimidating the other one. So, and so you know, both the community side, both the other side, everybody have disastered. Everybody have leave the community. So who is losing? So for me, I don't support that. Yeah, the president did not do well.